Who is the current DG of Pakistan Sports Board (PSB)? Amir Ali Ahmed. Pakistan got first position in Test ranking in cricket in its history on blank. 22 August 2016. Inspector General I.G. of Punjab Police. Current Minister of Information, Broadcasting and National Heritage Pakistan. Ferdas Ashik Awan. Two students of blank has been arrested by police on the 20th of November 2018, who were allegedly involved in supplying drugs at the campus. Quaid-e-Azam University Islamabad. How many matches of PSL 4 will be played in Pakistan as per official announcement by PCB? 8. According to provisional results of 6th population census, total population of FATA is blank. Speaker Baluchistan Assembly. Mir Abdul Qudus Bizenho. Mayor of Karachi. Jang Group received Asian Media Award 2016 in Manila. Press Medal. Which Pakistani kid has won gold in global mathematics competition among 600 participants? Syed Jafar Raza. Government of Pakistan has refused to accept IMF conditions for bailout package, which was the toughest condition that Pakistan refused to accept. Demand to increase general sales tax to 18%. Increase in interest rate more than 1%. To make SBP, Agra and NEPRA as independent. Crackdown against tax evaders and slash line losses of the electricity. Which Pakistani aircraft wins Best Aircraft Trophy at Royal International Air Tattoo Show 2016? C-130. Wooler Lake is situated on the river _blank. Jhelum. Setting a new precedent, Pakistan for the first time in its 70 years history appointed a female diplomat in blank. Saudi Arabia.